Hola Mzanse. Welcome to the YouTube soccer channel that will give you the soccer update the way you want them to be. So, Bafetso, who just Riveiro has finally opened up about coaching the all-calling all-star team. So, Bafetso, in an interview, the Orlando Pirates coach, who just Riveiro, said that he's looking to entertain fans where he oversees the calling all-star against Magesi FC tomorrow on Saturday, the 21st of December 2024. The Carling Knockout Cup champions Magesi remember that they beat Orlando Pirates on the way to the winning the title. But Riveiro said that he is not looking for revenge. The local football fans said to Riveiro that he should not concern himself about the exhibition match and should focus on Pirate goals for the season. The Spanish coach Riveiro said that the main priority of the All-Star versus Magesi FC is to entertain local fans. The Orlando Pirates coach Riveiro will oversee the fan-voted All-Star side against the Carling Knockout Cup champions on Saturday, 21 December 2024. The several PSL stars will make up the All-Star team after fans select players like Batusi Abbas, Relebohile Mufukeng, and Samkelo Zwane to be in the starting lineup. According to the Disc Time, Riveiro wants to entertain fans while showing respect to the Carling Cup champions Magesi, who beat Pirates during their title run. Ribeiro said it's a tough team to play against, but yeah, I'm able to represent these boys on Saturday and give them the right platform to showcase their talent. It's a day, it's a day to more than anything. Entertain the people who are going to come to the stadium. That's the main objective. So that's it for today. Please place your view on the comment section. I will see you on the next video.